difference, energy and charge. There's some questions and answers at the end, and as well as that, if you follow the links below, you'll find some more physics resources available. Definitions. First of all, potential difference is measured in volts. It's the work done or energy transferred by each coulomb of charge as it passes through a device. 1 volt is 1 joule per coulomb. Voltage equals energy divided by coulombs, which is in joules per coulomb. Here's the equation: energy and coulombs. Potential difference equals energy divided by coulombs. We can rearrange it to coulombs is energy divided by volts, or we could have the energy equals the number of coulombs times the voltage. And let's just have a quick check of this with the units. We got joules equals coulombs times joules per coulomb with the voltage potential difference. And these two cross, which gives us joules is in joules. So the equation is correct. On to have a look at the questions. If a current of 5 amps transfers 45 joules of energy every second, what's the potential difference? I'll have a go at this one in a second. I'll just give you a second to pause it and have a go yourself. So let's have a quick look at what we've got. We've got 5 amps, and 5 amps is 5 coulombs per second, and 45 joules of energy every second. So they're the same units. We're just looking at 1 second. So we've got voltage is the energy divided by the charge. That's the equation we're going to use, which is 45 divided by 5, which equals 9. And the units at the end are volts for potential difference. So where are the marks? We've got 1 for the equation. We get 1 mark for the substitution, 1 mark for the correct answer, and 1 mark for the correct units at the end to give us 4 out of 4. Okay, I'll just give you a second to pause before you go through the second one. Okay, I'm going to carry on now and I'll go through the answer for the second one. A lamp has a potential difference of 3.3 volts. That's 3.3 joules per coulomb. And 3.1 kJ of energy is transferred. How many coulombs pass through the bulb? So here we've got 3.1 kilojoules. We need to change that to joules. And it's 3,100 joules of energy. So now we can use the equation. And the equation is charge equals E divided by V. Let's put the numbers in the same places. We've got 3,100 divided by 3.3, which you're going to need to use your calculator for. I'll just have a quick bash of the numbers on mine. And it's 3100 divided by 3.3, which equals, my calculator says 939.999 recurring. Some people put a little dot over the end, and coulombs. But I'm not going to get the marks for that because I'm claiming a level of accuracy which isn't in the question. So what are the correct number of significant figures that I should be quoting to? Well, here we've got 2 significant figures, and down here we've got 2 significant figures. So I need to quote my answer to 2 significant figures. So if you haven't already done so, have a go at doing that. What you should get is 940 coulombs. So where are the 5 marks? The first mark is for changing to the correct units. The second mark is available for the equation that we're going to use. The third mark is substituting the numbers in the correct place. Fourth mark is the correct answer to the correct number of significant figures. And the 5th mark is for the correct units at the end. Okay, so that's the end of the presentation. If you want to follow the link, please follow the link to some further resources and press like down below if it's helped you. Thank you.